Number 1. Sea urchin. Une is sea urchin in Japanese. Inside the thorny shell is a yellowish flesh. Fresh sea urchins are brightly colored, not broken up, and have a uniform graininess. The shape of each piece resembles the shape of a human tongue. When eaten, sea urchins melt in the mouth and have a slightly sweet, creamy texture. On the other hand, sea urchins that are not fresh are slightly sludgy, bitter, have a strong odor, and have no sweetness or umami at all. Sea urchin contains DHA and EPA, essential fatty acids that cannot be synthesized in the body. DHA and EPA are expected to lower neutral fat, prevent dyslipidemia, and reduce the incidence of arteriosclerosis and ischemic heart disease. So, they are so-called fats and oils that help to thin the blood. It is also rich in folic acid, a vitamin that aids in the production of red blood cells and DNA and is recommended for pregnant women because folic acid is a nutrient that pregnant women need for the development of their fetus. It also contains vitamin E, vitamin B2, and vitamin A. Note: uni is sea urchin in Japanese. Fresh sea urchins are brightly colored, not broken up, and have a uniform graininess. Recommended for pregnant women because folic acid is a nutrient that pregnant women need for the development of their fetus. Number 2. Scallop. Hotat is scallop in Japanese. Scallops are a mineral-rich food that contains magnesium as well as potassium. Both nutrients are known to soften blood vessels, and proper intake of potassium and magnesium is said to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. A good intake of taurine is expected to enhance the functioning of the heart, liver, and other organs. When cholesterol is consumed with taurine, it means that a blood-thinning effect can be expected. It is said that if you eat scallops together when you are about to drink more alcohol, you are less likely to get a hangover. As for the texture and taste of scallops, scallops are elegant, have a rich umami taste and feel. They are one of the best shellfish. They are said to have a texture that melts on the tongue and a rich, full-bodied sweetness. Note: hotat is scallop in Japanese. Mineral-rich food that contains magnesium as well as potassium. Helps to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Taurine is expected to enhance the functioning of the heart, liver, and other organs. Helps to lower a hangover chances. Rich umami taste, one of the best shellfish. Melts on the tongue and a rich, full-bodied sweetness. Number 3. Salmon roe. Ikura is a salmon egg. Instead of the common style of nigiri sushi, it is a gunkan, with nori wrapped around the sides, sushi rice inside, and the salmon roe on top. Nutritional information is available at Vitamin A, which strengthens the mucous membranes. Vitamin B group, which converts fat into energy and aids metabolism and brain function. Vitamin D, which promotes the absorption of calcium to strengthen bones and prevent osteoporosis. Vitamin B12 and folic acid, which help prevent anemia common among women. Folic acid is also an essential vitamin for pregnant women. Vitamin E. It has an antioxidant effect, suppresses the generation of active oxygen on the components that cause the aging process, and is most effective especially for beauty. Astaxanthin acid, stronger in antioxidant action than vitamin E and more effective in removing active oxygen, helps prevent eye aging and eye strain that causes symptoms such as eye pain, redness, blurred vision, and glare, and also boosts the immune system. It contains more DHA and ADA than salmon, so it has a blood-thinning effect and is effective in preventing arteriosclerosis and hyperlipidemia. It is also expected to improve academic ability and memory. Note: ikura is a salmon egg in Japanese. Gunkan style, with nori wrapped around the sides, sushi rice inside, and the salmon roe on top. Vitamin A, strengthens mucous membrane. Vitamin B group, helps energy, metabolism, brain function. Vitamin D, promotes absorption of calcium. Vitamin B12 and folic acid, good for pregnant women. DHA and ADA, good for brain. Contains more than salmon. Number 4. Tobiko and Masago. Tobiko towa, Tobiuo no Tamago no Wamyo de Tobiuo Kara Toreru Orenji Iro no Chisana Tamago no Koto Korikori Toshi Tosho Kanto Honoka ni Amaku Shio Karai Fumi de Shiroriru Ninchi no Sushi Desu Masago wa Joran no Ish Shude Tokuni Wakasaji no Ish Shude Aru Karafudo Shishamo Kara Toreru Tokuni Sushi ni Yoku Tsukawa Riru Shokuzai de Orenji Iro no Chisana Tamago to Sukoshi Shiokaraku Hagoda e no Aru Shokande, Shiro Rei Te Iru Tobiko Yori Masago no Hoga e Yoso Gatakaku, Nedanga, Jakkan Yasuku Te Nihiri Masu, America Dewa, Tobiko no Dai Taihin Toshi Te Tobiko Yorimo, Shuryu to not Te Iru Yo Desu Mata, Masago mo Tobiko 1 Ika no, Chisana Tamago Desu Iro Wazanin Nagara Chakushoku So Rei Te Iru no De, Ikasumi de Some Rore Ta Kuroi mo no Akai Chakushoku Ryo de Some Rore Ta, Akai mono Orenji ni Some Rore Ta mono Wasabi de Some Rore Ta Midori no, Mono Nado Iroga Tayo de Aridochira no Tamago Kawaiwa Rei Naito, Wakara Naihodo na no de Kakuten no Sushi Shefu ni Chichima Sho. Tobiko and Masago are only served as gunkan style. Note: Tobiko is flying fish roe in Japanese. Masago is smelt roe in Japanese. Crunchy texture and slightly sweet and salt flavor. Masago is more popular in US. Due to being dyed, it is difficult to identify Tobiko and Masago. Ask sushi chef for clarification. Number 5. Crab stick. Crab stick is an imitation crab, a crab-flavored alternative paste made from fish like pollock, poke. Those who are allergic to crab can recommend this one, but also beware of those who are allergic to the flour and eggs used as a binder. Also, the question of whether MSG is used. Also, regarding the club mix, be aware that imitation clubs are used, so be aware of allergies as well. Kanakama is crab stick or imitation crab in Japanese. Crab stick is a crab-flavored alternative paste made from fish like pollock, poke. The flour and eggs used as a binder, so it can't be recommended to gluten allergy customer. Crab stick is also used for crab mix. Number 6. Tamago. Tamago in sushi restaurants is omelet in Japanese. Almost 90% of sushi restaurants in the US use eggs bought commercially. Commercial eggs are 80% egg white, colored, and have no flavor, only sweetness. The eggs prepared by restaurant chefs are made with real eggs and each restaurant chef's secret recipe, so the seasoning varies from dashi, Japanese soup stock, to sugar to salt. Miyo's eggs are characterized by their moderate sweetness and soft texture. Because they are handmade by the chefs, the number of eggs is limited, and they are sometimes sold out. Note: Tamago at sushi restaurants is egg omelet in Japanese. Most of US sushi restaurants use ready-made commercial products which is flavorless and mostly egg white used with artificial color. The tamago prepared by the chef at the restaurant is made with real eggs, using dashi, sugar, salt, and other seasonings according to the chef's secret recipe. At Miyo, the tamago has just the right amount of sweetness and soft texture. Because they are handmade by the chef, they are sometimes sold out. Number 7. Inari. Inari is casual traditional sushi. Fried tofu was cooked with sweet soy flavor sauce. Taste is sweet, but you can taste soy and dashi as well. Kids usually like inari because of sweet flavor. It is good for vegetarian choice, but not good for gluten allergy. Number 8. Pepper tuna tataki. Pepper tuna tataki is tuna seared and rubbed with black pepper on the outside. Miyo offers a menu of appetizers, nigiri, rolls, and sashimi. Toppings vary from restaurant to restaurant. At Miyo, it is served with cottage cheese and honey wasabi.